Welcome back to another unboxing swatch video. Today we're going to be looking at the Winsor Newton Cotman Floral Pocket Set of 8 colors. Okay, so from what you can see on the box, there are 8 different colors, which one of which is a Chinese white, and there are actually 4 empty pans that you can add additional colors, whatever you want to kind of round that out. It gives you some flexibility. Let's look at the box itself. We have a QR code here, which will take you to windsornewton.com. And on the back we have, I don't know, a little bit of explanation, a couple different languages, and of course the colors in the set along with their pigment numbers, which is always great to have on hand. So let's go ahead and open it up. And inside we have our hard plastic half pan case. And then we have our sticker that comes with the set. We decided that if you collect more than one of these sets, they also have a skyscape set and a portrait set, that you might want to just put this on the outside so that you can label it as such, or you could just use a Sharpie. That's up to you, but it comes with a sticker. Who doesn't like stickers? And then it comes also with this little brush. Now, this brush is, I would say, more of a novelty than anything else. It doesn't take up any extra space in here and barely adds any weight. Doesn't hurt to have, but it's not a practical brush really if you're going to be doing a lot of painting. It'll work in a pinch, but honestly it's a little bit too small and thin to maneuver easily, and it might be a little bit more trouble than it's worth. So I would recommend making yourself other brush accommodations if you're painting plein air. So what we're going to do now is open all these colors up, swatch them out, and then we'll come back to talk about it. Okay, so there you have it. This is the Winsor Newton Floral Pocket Cotman set of 8 colors. These are what they have chosen to represent their floral colors, and as I've said before, in some of these other unboxing swatch videos for the Cotman sets, you can put in an additional 4 half pans to sort of round this out to whatever your needs are. The Diox Violet, the Permanent Rose, I mean, these are colors that could be very helpful when you're, trying to do certain, birds of paradise, beautiful flowers out there that have a lot of different colors. So although there's really no mixing red, it is a good selection of colors for getting started with florals. And this is a student grade set, so the colors lifted, not as beautifully as a professional grade set might, but they were able to lift, and you can see them here on the paper. I really don't want to put too much more into that. I want them to kind of speak for themselves. If this was helpful to you, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell to be notified so that you will be the first to know when we post a future unboxing swatch video. Thanks so much for watching.